Hi tastemakers! Hey everyone, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table where we live tastefully for less. Today I am getting together my gift baskets for Christmas, and everything came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm kind of doing inventory, looking through everything, making sure that I got everything that I need. This first year, these are for the car lovers. We all love cars. We like to keep our cars clean here. But I created a basket for my nephew, and hubby gets one. I got all of these things for my car too. I just didn't put it in a basket, in a container. But Dollar Tree has these black buckets, and in there I got, car wash sponge, these microfiber cleaning cloths, the protectant wipes, the wax applicator, and one tire shine applicator. We've got the car wash from Armor All, glass cleaner, spray wax, and the multi-purpose. See that? Then I think the spray wax. These are so cute. So I got those, and then what I'm going to do, put some filler in the bottom, and lift it up and put it in one of those shrink wrap bags that you get from the Dollar Tree. So these are good to go. Most of these gifts are $10 and under. I think this one is $10. Okay. So this year my budget is each gift is going to be $10 or less. Okay, now for the movie lover. Got this container here, this popcorn box from Dollar Tree. Got this. Who doesn't like peanut M&Ms and Raisinets? And we got Butterfinger bites, Reese's Pieces. Got the old time popcorn. This will last for a long time. And we got these peppermint sticks, Cracker Jacks. These come in three. You get three for $1. And you get three butter packets for $1. And then Twizzlers. Like, can you go to the movies without getting Twizzlers, popcorn, some Raisinets, and all of this under $10? So this is my Netflix and chill. If someone invites you over for Netflix for a movie, you can be be a thoughtful guest and take a little gift. And this is just $10. You would spend way more than this going to the movies. So I got two of those. Okay. All right, then back here, and like most of these items will be put in one of these bags and a big bow. This is for the baker and someone just starting out, or anyone that's just enhancing their current baking supplies. I have this beautiful mixing bowl here. I've had mixing bowls like this from the Dollar Tree for years. And then all these Betty Crocker items, measuring cups, measuring spoons, a whisk, spatula, and we've got a baking book in the back. We got some gingerbread cookie mix and a sugar cookie mix. You can't see all that, and I just have some shreds in that mixing bowl and propped everything in there and wrapped it in this wrap, the basket bags, and put a bow on it. Beautiful. $10. Now these are smaller gifts here. These are about $5, and these are good, for your teachers or co-workers. Put it in a coffee cup And let's see, we got these peppermint spoons in here. I don't want to take everything out. Got a couple of packets of Taster's Choice Mrs. Field cookies. Got some Twizzlers in there. Have some turtles, peppermint bark, and even way in the back there we have some Swiss Miss Cocoa. And all in a little treat bag, or those loot bags they have at Dollar Tree. Close it. I'm not closing it up yet. Just want to make sure everything's okay. And then this is one of my favorite. I love this. You see this little candle holder here? And let me see that. And then we have the same thing pretty much. We have some turtles and have some Lindor chocolates. Have a Ghirardelli peppermint bark. We have some Andes candies in there. And this is a $5. Let me take this out. I don't think I can pull that out and handle the camera too. But you see that? That is so pretty. I fell in love with these. And then after your guests eat the candy, they can put a candle in there or put more, make it a candy dish, whatever they want. And then I'm just going to put a bow on all of those like that. Came from Dollar Tree. Okay, now over here, I want to show you what you can do with one of those ice buckets in the catering department. Now, most of my gift baskets are normally in catering containers, but you see this ice bucket here. I'm gonna take that off. But this is for a coffee cocoa lover. I got that big that coffee grounds there. Some Purolene, chocolate stirs. We got some peanut butter clusters here. Cocoa packet. Swiss Miss milk chocolate, cocoa mix, and some Mrs. Fields cookies. And it's all, on a bed of red shreds. And I have some mints and sugar over these candy canes as like a little accent. Okay, and it's in clear. I love it. I love those. Okay, so I'm going to push that to the back. And this is for a young lady, to keep her warm. You have a young lady friend, your daughter, they always can use some socks, some gloves. You get 2 pair, you get the red and the black. Every time I go in Dollar Tree, if they have these gloves, I grab a pair, because when you change your jacket, at least you can always have, I keep a pair in my car, in every jacket, and it just comes in handy. So, your young ladies could never, or any lady, anybody, you can never have too many gloves. Okay, so these are socks. I like to keep the tags on there just to let them know, this is a new item, curated especially for them. Got the gloves. This is a beautiful scarf. Let's see. Show you this scarf. It has little gold specks in it. And it's not going to keep them warm, but it will be cute around a turtleneck or anything. Okay, then we got some Purolene. A little candy cane spoon here. We got some Mrs. Fields cookies here. Peppermint bark by Andes. Some peanut butter clusters here. And cocoa packet. And a monthly planner. I like to give a calendar. Our phones are good, but sometimes, grid down situation, you might need just a good old-fashioned calendar for the upcoming year. So, that in there. And these are $10. $10. These are so nice. I mean, I really took my time. I went through the Dollar Tree and just looked through everything, and these are the things that I curated out there. Out of all the thousands of products, and, you know, I just found the best for my that I wanted to give. Okay, now this is a male grooming basket, and also give him a planner, a calendar, and we got some body wash here, all by Power Stick. We got some Barbasol razors, beard balm. Got that color. You know, you can just brush that color in your hair. That's so cool. I love that. Women can use that too. You got your shoe eraser for sneakers. You want to just, you know, freshen up your sneakers. Here's a shave gel, Power Stick. We have a Dove men's soap, moisturizing cream soap, and then we have this face, hand, and body cream. Lovely. Then a little sponge here, and then I just kept with the theme of the green. Have some green mints in there, and I love it. These are so cute. $10. Okay. And then here, if you ever go to the catering department, you see these are things you can do with these clear containers, these candy dishes. And then on here, this is a lady's hair care kit. And well, and also maybe a spa kit. You get your toenail clipper. I'll take this stuff out. And then I love these faux leather scrunchies. These are so nice. And then a faux leather headband. Anybody of any age, any woman could use these. You've got your wrap cap. You can always use these these elastics. And here's another scrunchie. This is a velvet, crushed velvet one. These are cute. And then you get your hair wrap once you wash your hair and everything. These are microfiber. They'll absorb all of that excess, you know, moisture when you wash your hair. Got that. And then a monthly planner. Okay, so these are some awesome gift ideas for Christmas. $10 is the most I spend on each basket, and then you have some $5 containers here for like co-workers and church members, someone you skate with, or at the gym or whatever. Okay guys, so just want to thank you guys for taking time. Just wanted to inspire you to, you know, live tastefully for less. You know, a good curator or a good shopper, you know, can spot quality no matter where you are. And the high-end stores aren't the only stores that have good stuff. You know, there's good stuff all over the place. You just have to, you know, have a good eye for it. Know your crowd and know your budget and do the best you can with it. Alright guys, so thank you so much. Thanks for tuning in, and I would love for you, if you're new here, to subscribe to my channel. Let's get messy over here. Gotta put these things back into these baskets. Okay, I welcome you to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified. Please hit the bell notification so as soon as I upload some new content, you will be notified. You will be the first one to know. Alright, thank you guys. Bye, Mom. See you in my next video.